very good morning, dear parents, our lovely students, and a wonderful team of the Class of One school. It gives me immense joy to welcome everyone on this prosperous occasion of Diwali. It's a festival of lights. But is it just a festival of lights? So let us know that today. Okay? So Diwali is also known as Deepavali. It is a major festival that symbolizes light over darkness. It is a festival of new beginnings. Diwali is celebrated every year with full zeal across the world. This festival falls between mid October and mid November, but changes each year because it is set by the lunar calendar. Now, let us know the meaning and significance of Diwali. So, Diwali has been derived from a Sanskrit word, Deepavali. Okay. Now, Deepavali means rows of lighted lamps, children. Therefore, Diwali is also known as, like you said, Festival of Lights, isn't it? This festival unites people of different faiths, highlighting the importance of harmony. Harmony means to stay together in peace and love. It is a time for communities to come together, decorate homes, and share sweets and meals. It is dedicated to clarity and bringing down the murkiness within us, right? No celebration is complete without dance and music. With that intent in mind, let us continue the celebration in full swing. So please dwell yourselves into this beautiful dance performance on the festive occasion of Diwali by our rock stars of TCO1.
This is a time for joy, light, and love. Today, we will explore how the spirit of sharing can brighten our lives just like the lights of Diwali.
Rohan and Shruti, I'm so ready for Diwali this year. We've decorated our house with fairy lights and I've got so many new plus. Plus, mom made a whole batch of sweets.
I have bought firecrackers for everyone this Diwali.
And I brought diyas and lights for everyone.
Diwali is a festival where we not only share gifts, but we also share happiness, joy, and love. We are so privileged that we can have all the things easily for celebrating the festival.
Yes, dear, you are absolutely right.
My dear friends, why don't we celebrate this Diwali by doing something different?
Yes, but how differently can we celebrate? Any ideas?
Yes, I have got an idea. Friends, yesterday I overheard a conversation of my mom talking to her friend about a lady who stays across the street who lost her husband in an accident. Life has forced her to work as a house help in everything's house for her children's better future. And you know what? I I heard her saying they were not celebrating Diwali like us. Friends, not to do something for them. This is Diwali so that they can also spend Diwali like us.
So, what have you thought? What should we do?
You know what? Our online class, the class of one, has always taught us to share with each other. Their happiness, love, and emotions or things because sharing is caring. We can share our crackers, sweets, clothes with them as a Diwali gift. In this way, they can also be celebrating Diwali in a happy way.
Oh, look at those beautiful lights across the street. Everyone is celebrating Diwali with so much joy. I wish we would have lights and sweets free, but I know we can't afford them this year.
I know, beta. Times have been tough, and we barely have enough for our daily needs. But remember, Diwali is about more than just sweets and lights. We can still say our prayers and light up a small diya up.
Back in the posh area, Aditi's mom talks to Aditi, Rohan, and Shruti about the importance of sharing.
Aditi, Rohan, and Shruti, I think it's time we do something special this Diwali. We have so much. Why don't we share our joy with those who don't have the same, like family across the street?
But what we can do, they don't even have lights or sweets.
We can share some of ours. We have more than enough sweets, diyas, and clothes. Let's prepare a basket for them and help them celebrate Diwali joyfully.
That's the spirit. Let's pack some extra food, clothes, and decoration and bring a little light into their Diwali.
We
Wow,
are ready to
we are ready.
ready to go.
Moving towards the most awaited activity performed on Diwali, without which Diwali seems incomplete. A great way to enjoy Diwali is to go green Diwali, children. Okay. Well, now, what is green Diwali? So, green Diwali focuses on celebrating the festival in an environmentally conscious way. Okay. So, you don't have to compromise on the essence of celebrating it. While the fireworks symbolize driving away negativity and inviting prosperity, it is important to do so responsibly. Okay. So nobody's telling you not to burst crackers, but burst eco-friendly crackers which allow us to maintain the joy of Diwali while reducing air and noise pollution. So do you all promise me to go green this Diwali? This mindful approach helps protect the environment and promotes a cleaner, healthier celebration, ensuring that the values of the festival, light, positivity, and happiness shine brightly for everyone. I would now call upon our academic coordinator, Miss Vibha Mishra, ma'am, to share her thoughts on this auspicious occasion. So I express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone for their participation and enthusiasm. It has been a beautiful reminder of the joy and togetherness that festival brings. So may the spirit of Diwali guide us toward kindness, unity, and brighter days. So let's carry this light within and share with the world around us, spreading love, compassion, and positivity wherever we go. So, thank you once again for being a part of this celebration. Wishing you all a very happy and safe Diwali.